Welcome to the Airbnb automated course for free right here on YouTube. Let me first tell you that this video is a welcome and overview video for a playlist. If you're not currently in that playlist, there's a link in the description. I'm going to place a card in the corner. You can click on that and start over from video 1 in course order. Now, I believe that content should and can be free whenever possible, and that's why I've made this playlist for you. It is like a collection of 2 years worth of content that I've posted on my Airbnb journey, exactly how I started my business, what I did along the way. The course starts in very beginner order, like what is Airbnb, what is an Airbnb business, how to get started, filing an LLC, talking to landlords, setting up a property, talking to guests, everything, all the way into advanced topics like SEO, pricing strategy, hiring people. It covers everything. This playlist is over 8 hours and has over 70 videos in the playlist. Now, I made this because a lot of my thousands and thousands of YouTube Airbnb hosts have said that they love the content, but the only thing is that it wasn't in order for someone to get started, because I did film things pretty much over the course of 2 years as I felt like they needed to be known. So this is a way to organize it into pretty much a competitive format. Everything in this playlist is absolutely everything anybody else would ever try to sell you in another course. You do not need to buy a course to be successful on Airbnb. And even though I am selling products on Airbnb information, I'm not saying that you should ever buy one. You don't need one to get started, especially. If I ever humbly present you a product for sale, it will be because it is the definition of masterful and it might be the right time. But that's it. I didn't start with a course. The thousands on this channel never started with the course. There's tons of people making a lot of money and they started right here for free. I hope that you're the next one. Now, the only thing that I ask of you is to share this playlist for other people who want to learn how to host on Airbnb. And if you see an ad or a ton of ads or too many ads on Facebook or anywhere else, link this video or link this playlist and let people know that there is a free option out there if people want to be hosts, because there are too many people peddling the same basic easy access information that's right here and selling it for thousands of dollars, claiming that it's the secret. Well, there is no secret. It's right here on YouTube, and it's free. Welcome to Airbnb Automated, and I hope to see you on the other side.